Hi, Brian Buresh, Buresh Home Solutions, and I'm proud to announce that we're looking to add to our team yet again. Last year, we grew our business tremendously, and we expect that growth to continue, and we need more professionals to serve our customers. If you're working for a company that lays you off in the winter, you get paid sporadically, or you have no benefits, give us a look. We currently offer health insurance, life insurance, paid holidays, paid vacation, and we have a 401k plan. If you know how to take care of a customer, have construction experience, I personally would like to talk to you. If you don't have the construction experience, but you're a hard worker, I still would like to talk to you because we can train you up with our professional staff. So visit our website or give us a call at 515-274-2957 if you'd be interested in looking into an opportunity with Buresh Home Solutions. I promise I am willing to pay top dollar for the right people.